Hello, today's video, I am going to show you how to add subscribe button on video using CapCut. First open YouTube and save subscribe green screen button from here. Save this subscribe button here. After that, open CapCut and tap on overlay. Now again tap on add overlay. Now select green screen subscribe video here. Now reduce the size of the video a bit. Now after that, swipe the right side. Now click on Remove BG. Now tap on Chroma key. Now bring the Chroma key circle over the green screen and release it. Now click on Yes. Now here you can see the subscribe button has been added. In this way, you can add subscribe button in any video by using CapCut. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel in the next video.